Okay, guys, we got this Mercury right here. They said the security light flashes like crazy when you turn it on. So if I turn it on, look at that. Just like flashes really, really fast. So I'm going to see if we can talk to this. Doesn't look like we're talking to this. Let me scan the VIN and get this thing to ID. Okay, guys, so it's an 08 Mercury Milan. And I can't talk to the ECU. See, when I scan it, it skips the ECU. Let's check our report here. Started to say lost communication with powertrain control module. So we're not talking to the powertrain control module. So let me bring up a diagram here. And we'll see. We'll see if we can figure out if we got powers and grounds going through our ECU. And I'm wondering if the ECU is under our PC, under our battery. Let's see. Let me grab my laptop. Okay, guys, so we got this fuse 26, 7.5 amp. Now look at this. Fuse 26 is not used. 26 is there. 26 would be right there, and it's not used. Fuse 23. Come over here. Fuse 23 is this very first one right here. This is my new test light from Jay Quinlan. Works amazing. And we got fuse 3, which is a 40 amp, which is that one, and that looks good. I got 50, 47, 49, and 48, which is powered by the PCM relay. 47. So our PCM power relay is not getting turned on. That is theirs. I'm trying to figure out where this fuse 26 would be. Okay, guys, so it was, I realized it was fuse 26 inside the car. So 26 is this one. How are we doing so far? Look at that. We got power. So now we got to go to this ECU. Okay, guys, so there's a whole bunch of black and greens down here in this last connector. So I got the battery tray and everything out. Got the ECU connector undone. And if you look, we have black and green, and black and green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my headlight bulb. See if we can set you guys up here somewhere. Maybe you guys can see this. Let's see. We're gonna try and back probe this. Here. Let's see, black and green. Headlight bulb lights. Check this one. Headlight bulb lights. Check this one. Headlight bulb lights. And this one, headlight bulb lights. So that's our grounds. I think that was all our grounds. Tell me where that. Yep, there's 4 grounds. And then we have to check our power feeds. So I have them all highlighted right here. So we got this hot all the time and this one with the run. So we gotta check this gray and orange with the key on. We gotta check this white and red. I think that's it. So we'll check these quick and we'll see if they work. Okay, guys, so this one comes down. This is all the same connector. You can see there's no connector numbers over here, and the numbers just continue all the way to 70, and they say B. See that? They continue all the way down. So there's a gray and orange right here, and this is supposed to be hot and run and ignition, right? So if we come down here, pin 37, it says it's next to, there's a yellow and then a blue, and there's a bunch of spaces. So there's our yellow. See, there's a space around it. So there's 1 space and then 2 yellows. Is there 1 space and 2 yellows on this diagram? Yeah, 1 space and 2 yellows. And then there's a bunch of spaces and then blue and gray. So got this connected to ground right here. Connected here. See, it lights up. Alright. So if we come, we check this one. Let's see. We have nothing. We have no light. Let's see if we can check this on the back side. What's the third row? So looks like it would be, I think this is missing. Oh, so we do have a light. Okay, so we do have power on that one. I don't know why I couldn't get it from the back side. But it almost feels like this is missing a connector unless it's stuck in the ECU. Like a back side? I guess there's no clips in there. Sorry about it being blurry. So that's our one power. What's our other one? White and red. White and red is our keep alive. And this light will draw 10 amps. So we're loading the circuits. Okay, so there's a white and red. See it right there. White and red. How many pins in this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in. It's white and red. Right there, light's light. Fourth one in. So our powers and grounds look good. So it's looking like we got a bad ECU. So I guess we'll connect this back up and we'll check. I don't know what else we gotta check here. That goes to our fuel pump relay, so that's not gonna cause us not to power up. Check our diagram here and scroll down. I don't know what this B00 input is. CM power diodes, not. So I think this is it. I don't see any more grounds either. So it's looking like it's either that or we got a shorted 5-volt sensor. We can check that too. Let me connect this back up. We'll check for 5 volts. Okay guys, so the last thing I wanted to check was the PCM power relay, and I put my uActivate in here and I heard the car power up. Listen to that. So let me put this stuff back together because we can talk to the car now. See, now we can talk to it. I think this is just a bad PCM power relay because it was clicking when I took it out. I didn't realize that it needed the relay to turn. See, no clicking. Bad relay. Let me put this battery tray back in. Okay guys, so one of my customers gave me a box of relays, so we'll just grab one out of here. Just throw it in the car and should fix it. I'll tell the customer and then they can get a new one if they want to. It's at a shop, so we put that in there. And then let's see if our dash power is up. And we should be good to go. Look at that. So let's go back to our scan tool real quick. Just do a quick erase. There we go. And this thing should start right up. There we go. Look at that. So I hope you guys like this one. See you later. Okay guys, I want to show you guys this. Look at this. There's corrosion on that one pin right there. Look at that. So there might have got water inside there, I don't know. But I just thought that was interesting. So, see you guys later.